eye, ear and foot protection that complies with the appropriate Australian standard must be used while operating equipment featured in this video. Make sure that you have read the safe operating procedure and received training on this machine before you use it. Okay, so in this video I want to show you how to do a square and a mitre cut on our slide compound mitre saw. So obviously you need your job that you're working on. As you come up to the actual saw, you just want to be making sure that it's in working order, the guards are in place, the dust extractor's hooked up, and you also want to make sure that you've got your eyes and your ears and your safety boots on, because we need them at all times when using power tools. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to position my timber on the job, line the blade up roughly with where I want to cut, and we're going to make sure that the timber's hard back against the fence. So I'm going to keep my hand there, keep that in place at all times. Put my safety gear on. As we go to make our cut, you'll notice that the head won't come down until you release this safety mechanism. And then you'll be able to line the saw up with where you want to cut. And then making sure that the blade is not on the timber, you can start the saw and make your cut. Also make sure that when you go to reach the timber under the blade's fully stopped, then you can clear the blade. With a wider bit of timber, what you should do is bring the blade out to the outside edge of the timber before you start the saw, and then start your cut from there, so you're always pushing back through the timber as you make your cut. Now to make a mitre cut, you need to move the protractor of the saw. So all you do is loosen the handle, lift up the catch at the bottom, and move the saw around to the position that you need it. The saw has presets at 15, 22 and a half, 32 and 45 degrees to lock in. Anywhere between that, you can just position it and lock it in with the handle. Okay, and then using the same procedure as we did for the square cut, you can cut your timber.